So I just had got some great footage. The funny thing is I broke my 24-year-old Snowskate. Ooh. Oh no, I just broke my truck. That sucks. Oh no, it finally gave out. Shit. No, that sucks. But luckily, I have a replacement. So luckily I have a spare Snowskate, which I was thinking last night. That was stupid of me to buy that spare one. But look at who's the smartest guy, who's the smartest almost 54-year-old. The only problem is I gotta find it in the shed, which could be a problem. Oh, super slick. To quote General Douglas MacArthur, I shall return. And I managed to not fall. Trying out a new deck. So, hey, you can learn balance at almost 54 and get really good at it to the point where you're better than kids.